So who gets what when it comes to the money and assets that Michael Jackson has built up over his career?
Even with a will, it's still unclear. Tonight, we're getting a little bit of expert legal advice on this. Fox 5's Will Thomas is here with a closer look at what this all means. Well,
Brian, Sean, according to the will, all of the money and assets goes into a family trust. We have not seen it. It is not a public document. But we do have the will right here, 5 pages, and it's crystal clear Michael doesn't directly leave a dime to any of his heirs, not even those kids. It is believed the family trust will take care of the children and his mother. Tonight, we have come through this will with a lawyer. A supreme surprise from the legendary Michael Jackson. Diana Ross named as a backup guardian for the children. And his 5-page will cuts out his ex-wife, Debbie Rowe, and all heirs.
This will deals with guardianship, custody of the children. It's disowning certain people, to make that very clear. And then it says everything else I'm putting into the trust.
Vienna-based attorney Jason Smolen is a wills, business, and estate expert on Debbie Rowe, the birth mother of 2 of the 3 children.
If Debbie Rowe, who has had no influence over their lives from what I can tell, from what I've read, tries to make a claim, she only has a claim on the 2 children. The court will probably be very reluctant to separate the children.
What about Michael intentionally omitting to provide for his heirs?
There are these concepts under law that if you neglect to mention something, maybe it was just an omission, an oversight. If you specifically say, this is someone that's not getting, they don't get.
Michael's mother may be his first choice to care for the kids, but Diana Ross is also nominated.
Well, I hope he really knows her well and he asked her if she would ever take care of the kids, because otherwise what you're going to have is a continuation of a custody battle.
Be careful what you do.
What's next? The trustees who now oversee Jackson's vast fortune have their work cut out for them. They have to collect the assets, determine a value, and negotiate with creditors and the government, who all have a stake. Without a doubt, the Jackson Family Trust will produce revenue. The trustees may determine it's best not to liquidate everything, especially if an income can be produced that'll satisfy those many creditors. Keep in mind, Elvis's Graceland brings in $35 million a year, and he died 32 years ago. Brian, Sean, back to you.